Okay, so my new BMW F800GS in the metallic blue. Beautiful colour in the sun, it's been amazing. Let's go around here and see. Look. Don't know if you can see in the sun, but lovely. Okay, so extras I did from stock. So when I bought it, handlebars, the BMW adjustable windscreen. You have to sort of get that added on separately because you can't do it on the blue metallic, weirdly. So that's how it works. Sat nav mount, still need to figure out what to do. Keyless, USB port, DIN port, I think those are standard. Heated grips are standard. Cruise control. I've got all the riding modes except the Enduro Pro, which you get with the electronic suspension, but I don't have that because I've gone for the lowered bike and lowered seats, so I'll do that later and check. Engine guard, and then there's a bash plate down here as well. I don't know if you can see it. It's a different bash plate to the one you get with the OEM. The Vario luggage things, the better chain. Oh, and there's a little luggage thing. Oh, quick shifter. Forgot to show it on the other side. Let's show you. That's what a quick shifter looks like. Yeah, I think that's it in terms of extras. I turn it on. Let's go. Just to show you, so with the lower seat, it's the low seat but the lowered suspension. We've got the mode there, as you can see. You've got road, dynamic, enduro, rain. So you do get the extra modes if you wanted to. And I should have the headlight pro on there as well. So yeah, very, 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 very cool. Very cool. I'm well chuffed. Yeah, new bike day. Cool. Now let me see if I can get pictures of me standing and sitting on it. Okay. Now